Hi, my name is Jeremy Lasich. I'm with the Office of Public Affairs. I'm here with Luke Baranyk from the Department of Tax Administration. We're out here in front of the Government Center, which is where one of the places you would come to pay your taxes. And we're talking about everybody's favorite topic today, which is paying taxes. So if you didn't know, October 5th, which is next Thursday, is the deadline for personal property tax. So we're going to talk about that a little bit, about what that means, how you can pay, and some other stuff. So we'll start with Luke and ask you, first of all, what exactly is personal property tax?
So it's an annual levy on all vehicles in Fairfax County. It also includes things like trailers, boats, motorcycles, and that money is used to fund a lot of our public services that our residents have at their disposal.
Okay. Yeah, many residents may not know taxes is the biggest source of revenue the county gets, and that's mainly through real estate tax.
Correct.
Is the main one, and personal property tax is the second.
That's right.
Second most popular source of revenue for the county.
Correct.
So the personal property tax deadline is October 5th. What does that mean? How can people pay?
Sure. So the deadline is October 5th, as you said. There are a number of ways to pay. You can go online, pay through our website. You can come here to the Government Center and make a payment. You can pay over the phone. You can even pay at Shoppers Food warehouses throughout Fairfax County by cash. So tons of different options.
Okay. And you all have extended hours this week, I believe?
Yes, we do. Starting this Saturday, we're open 8 to 12 tomorrow. And then next week, we're open until 6.
Okay.
Thursday, we're open until 6:30.
Okay. And how are the lines been so far this season?
Manageable, but the later we get, the closer we get to October 5th, the longer they will get. So, the earlier everyone can pay, the better.
Okay. And what if somebody has lost their tax bill, or they don't know what they pay, or this is the first time they're hearing about it?
Sure.
What should they do?
You can always call our office. You can go online. You can create an account through what's called My Fairfax Portal, which is basically easy access to all your tax records. All that information will be available. You can, like I said, call our office. It'll be the easiest. We have tons of staff ready to take calls to help everybody out.
Okay, and that number is 703-222-8234.
That's it.
Hopefully I got that right.
That is it.
Good. And what if somebody has just moved into the county, or within the past year they've got a new car, or they sold a car halfway through? I know that's sometimes confusing for people. How does that work?
So always have to update DMV and also update Fairfax County with any changes, so that way we're in sync with DMV. All the bills are correct. For the number of months of ownership, new cars, that sort of thing.
I know there's always confusion between DMV and the county, so
that's right.
You've got to do both. That's one of the key messages. So, right. Okay. And what about people who live in towns or cities within Fairfax County? There's the town of Clifton, or the town of Vienna, or the city of Falls Church, or the city of Fairfax, which is also sometimes confusing.
Sure.
Do those people have to pay extra taxes? Do they need a decal? How does that work?
Previously, the towns of Clifton and Herndon had a separate decal that they would display. That was payable through the town, and then the tax would be payable through the county. Within the last year or so, that's changed. Okay. So now everything is payable through Fairfax for the towns of Clifton and Herndon. The registration fee is payable through the county, so there's no multiple payments to multiple jurisdictions. All comes through Fairfax.
Okay. And what about people who may not be able to afford to pay their taxes this year for any reason? Is there tax relief or options for those people?
Sure. So we do have a tax relief office that offers relief for senior citizens and those with disabilities. I'd encourage anybody who thinks they may qualify to reach out to us. Otherwise, if someone is expecting a hardship or a situation which may prove difficult to pay, just call our office. It's always easier if we know ahead of time. We can work with someone, get set up on a payment plan. Tons of options, but outreach is definitely the first step.
Great. And anything else? What else should people know about paying taxes this year?
The earlier the better. Like I said, October 5th is going to be chaotic, so between now and then is going to be the best time to pay.
Great. Well, thank you, Luke, for your time.
Absolutely.
Again, that number is 703-222-8234 to contact the Department of Tax Administration, and www.fairfaxcounty.gov/DTA is the website where you can go check out the portal you were talking about. So that's it for taxes. Again, the deadline is next Thursday, October 5th. And if you have any questions, please contact us for one of those meetings. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.